Sheesh. She's looking good, all lowered. Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to get an alignment at Mavis. They don't have a drive-on ramp, so we're gonna see if we can get it up. I don't think it's too low. I think with some wood and they have some rotors to stack it up, it'll be able to get up. That's what I'm hoping. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Getting her aligned, and then she's ready to drive. Looks great. Can't get over the look, but yeah. It's about a 2-finger gap all around. Well, one in the rear. That's because of the driveway though on the incline. But yeah, she looks good. We're gonna go ahead to Mavis right now. Nick's decided to come along. This guy at the E36, cool guy, he's gonna do the alignment. There's the rack and there's the ramps. It doesn't seem too steep. Hoping I can get up it. So we'll see, we'll find out. But I'm excited, could finally drive the car without destroying their tires. Make sure to always get alignment when you put coils or springs, whatever, on, because you will chew your tires. Me and Tom learned the hard way, and Tom's tires were destroyed by the toe being off ever so slightly. The wheel might go straight, you might think it's good, but it's not actually. It's slightly wearing your tires and you'll destroy them. But yeah, see if he gets up the ramp.
They were really, that's more of an aggressive anyway. It's just the lip. It's getting up here a little bit.
I think I'll be alright. She's looking good. She's dirty, but we'll wash her, give her a nice wash soon. It's like 30 degrees out today. Crazy. And then it was like 60 the other day. Jersey weather.
Yeah. Matt.
This is Chris.
Lower.
It just made it.
It just made it. Just enough. So cold out, but he said the rear toe is out, so he's trying to adjust that now. The front was actually surprisingly good, but those bolts are so rusted and they're giving a hard time to move, but he'll get it. But that's what he's doing right now, just the rear. The fronts are good, surprisingly. I'm very surprised, but Should be like half hour maybe. It's in there. Oh. Barely. Back home, everything is good. The alignment's perfect. No complaints. Did a great job, and yeah, now my tires won't be chewed up at all. The guy sent me a picture. I have a little bit of camber in the right rear, which is fine. It's just normal, natural camber, and you could fix that if you want to get bolts or arms and stuff, but it's alright for now. It's just natural camber, and yeah, car is aligned. All set, ready to drive. Got the coils. She's ready to go wherever. So yeah, I think it's a wrap for this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.